Hi students, myself Kali SL, Rayat Shikshan Samstha RVNB College Rampur. In the previous lecture, we have started here exercise 3.4. Here today's lecture is lecture number 23. In the previous lecture number 22, we have started here exercise 3.4 and we completed here 3 problems. Now in this exercise there are totally 23 problems. There are totally 23 problems. Some problems we discuss here and some I solve here. So here problem number 4th and 5th we discuss only and you solve by yourself. So we consider this 4th problem as I is equal to integration of twice x upon 4 minus 3x minus x square dx. This is a proper rational function because degree of numerator is less than degree of denominator. Now here in the denominator we have not given directly factors, we have to factor this denominator. So here 4 into minus 1, so we factor this minus 4 so that product is minus 4 and addition is minus 3. So 4 ones are 4 and now here take minus 4 and plus 1. So minus 4 into 1 that is minus 4 and minus 4 plus 1 it is minus 3. And so we write here this I is equal to integration of 2x upon 4 minus 4x and plus x. We split this minus 3x as minus 4x plus x and this minus x square dx. Now from these two terms and from these two terms take here integration of 2x upon, here take 4 common, 4 in the bracket 1 minus x. Here take plus x common, 1 minus x into dx. So it is equal to integration of 2x upon, now here take 1 minus x common, 1 minus x in another bracket 4 plus x dx. And now here we write this rational function as a upon first factor 1 minus x plus b upon 2 plus x. Find out the value of a and b and take the integration of a upon 1 minus x plus integration of b upon 4 plus x using the formula integration of 1 upon x dx as log x and solve by yourself. We have solved such type of 3 problems. Now here in the 5th problem we consider I is equal to integration of x square plus x minus 1 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx. So this is equal to integration of x square plus x. We write here minus 1 as minus 6 and plus 5 divided by this x square plus x minus 6. Here we write this minus 1 as minus 6 plus 1, minus 6 plus 1 it is minus 1. And now we consider this one term and this another term and divide here separately. And so we get here integration of x square plus x minus 6 upon here x square plus x minus 6 plus 5 upon x square plus x minus 6 and dx. And now take here separate integration. We cancel this. So this is equal to integration of 1 dx plus integration of 5 upon x square plus x minus 6 dx. Now here in the denominator we factor this x square plus x minus 6. We factor this minus 6 as 3 to the 6 and here plus 3 and minus 2. So we get here integration of 1 dx plus integration of 5 upon, right here factor as x plus 3 into x minus 2 dx and solve this rational function by partial fraction. We write here 5 upon x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to a upon x plus 3 plus b upon x minus 2. Then find out the values of a and b by substituting first factor x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the second factor x minus 2 is equal to 0. And then take the integration, that is integration of a upon suppose x plus 3 plus integration of b upon x minus 2 using the formula integration of 1 upon x dx, that is equal to log of x, and solve the remaining problem. And here integration of 1 dx is x, we know. So we can solve here remaining problem. So solve these 2 problems yourself. Now here we start Problem number 6. Sixth problem, integration of 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1. 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. So problem is here, integration of 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 divided by 3x square minus 2x minus 1 dx. We call this as I. I is equal to integration of this rational function. Now here observe numerator and denominator. Degree of numerator is greater than degree of denominator, so it is an improper rational function. This is improper rational function. So we have to convert this into proper rational function by dividing numerator by denominator by previous methods. So we divide this 6x cube plus 5x square minus 7 and here 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Now here we take 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, so here take 2 and here x square, so take here x. So 2x into 3x square, that is equal to 6x cube, and this 2x and minus 2x, it is minus 4x square. This 2x into minus 1, minus 2x. Now subtract this, this is minus, this one plus, this is plus, and so this and this 6x cube get cancelled. This 5x square and plus 4x square, it is 9x square. 5 plus 4, we consider this plus sign, so 5 plus 4, that is 9x square. Now this plus 2x and then this minus 7. Now here 9x square, we want 9x square, so plus 3. If we take here plus 3, 3 into 3, that is 9 into x square. So 3 into 3x square, that is 9x square. 3 into minus 2x, minus 6x, 3 2s are 6, so minus 6x and here minus 3. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Now change the sign. Here it is minus, plus and plus, and so we get here this 9x square and minus 9x square get cancelled. 2x plus 6x, that is equal to 8x, and minus 7 plus 3. So minus 7 plus 3, 7 minus 3, 4, and here sign of 7 is minus, so minus 4. So we get here 8x minus 4. So this 2x plus 3 is the quotient and this 8x minus 4 is the remainder. And so we write this rational function like this. So the I, integral I becomes, I is equal to integration of, we write this improper rational function by twice x plus 3. This is the question. Twice x plus 3 plus remainder is here 8x minus 4. 8x minus 4 divided by this 3x square minus 2x minus 1. 3x square minus 2x minus 1 and dx. Now here we take the integration of 2x and 3. But our interest is to take the integration of 8x minus 4 upon 3x square minus 2x minus 1. Now this is a proper rational function. Now here we factor this denominator 3x square minus 2x minus 1. We take here calculation of this 3x square minus 2x minus 1 separately and then we put directly factors. So here 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. We factor this minus 3, 3 ones are 3, and we want here minus 2, take here minus 3 and plus 1, minus 3 plus 1 it is minus 2, and minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. So we write this 3x square minus 2x minus 1, it is equal to 3x square, write this minus 2x as a minus 3x and plus 1x, that is x, and this is minus 1, and so it is equal to, take here 3x common, so 3x in the bracket, here x and here minus 1, here take plus 1 common, so x minus 1, and so now take here x minus 1 common, so x minus 1 in another bracket 3x plus 1. So the factors of this 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is x minus 1 into 3x plus 1. So we write directly factors. So I is equal to integration of 2x plus 3 plus 8x minus 4 upon x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 and dx. And now consider this part. Let 8x minus 4 upon x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to, these are linear factors and non-repeated linear factors. So we write here a upon first factor, a upon x minus 1 plus b upon second factor, that is 3x plus 1. Get it? So we get here a upon first factor x minus 1 plus b upon second factor 3x plus 1. And now we want to find the values of a and b. To find the values of a and b, we take here addition, a into this denominator plus b into this denominator divided by product of these two denominator, and we cancel this denominator and this denominator. So we get directly here 8x minus 4 is equal to a into this 3x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1. And now find the values of a and b. So put here first factor is equal to 0. So put x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1, and therefore we get here 8 into 1, that is 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 4 is equal to a. Here put the value of x as 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4a. We get here 4a plus b, and x minus 1 is 0. And so we get here a is equal to 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to a, and therefore a is equal to 1. In this way we get first unknown a as 1. Now we put here second factor 3x plus 1. Put here, put 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to minus 1 upon 3. We carry firstly 1, 3x is equal to minus 1, then carry 3. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 in this equation. So 8 into x is here minus 1 upon 3 minus 4 is equal to a into 3x plus 1, 0. So a into 0, then plus b. X is here minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So 8 into minus 1, minus 8, and minus 3 4s are 12 upon 3 is equal to b in the bracket minus 1, and this minus 1 into 3, that is 3 divided by 3. Now these 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we get here minus 8 minus 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 4b. So this implies this minus minus become plus. So 20 upon 4 is equal to b. So b is equal to 4 5s are 20. b is equal to 5. So we get here b as 5. And therefore required integral becomes, therefore required integral is I is equal to, here in this equation we put here 8x minus 4 upon x minus 1 into 3x plus 1 is equal to a upon x minus 1, and a is 1 and b is here 5. So 5 upon 3x plus 1, and replace this by this. So we get here I is equal to integration of twice x plus 3 plus a upon x minus 1, a is 1, 1 upon x minus 1 plus b, b is here 5 upon 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 dx. Now separate the integration. So I is equal to integration of 2x dx plus integration of 3 dx plus integration of 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus integration of 5 upon 3x plus 1 dx, and so it is equal to 2 2 into integration of x dx, that is x square upon 2, plus here 3 constant, integration of 1 dx is x, plus here integration of 1 upon x minus 1 is log of x minus 1, here plus 5 constant, and integration of 1 upon x is log of x. In place of x there is 3x plus 1. Take the derivative of 3x plus 1 again. It is 3 divided by 3 means right here 1 upon 3 plus constant of integration. And so here final solution is I is equal to, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, I is equal to x square plus 3x plus log of x minus 1 plus 5 into 1 upon 3, that is 5 upon 3 into log of 3x plus 1 plus constant of integration. So this is the final solution. Highlight this solution and take the screenshot. Now here next example. We see here 8th example. Integration of 1 upon x into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Integration of 1 upon x into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Call this as I. So let here I is equal to integration of 1 upon x into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Now here we multiply numerator and denominator by x to the power 4. So we get here 1 into x to the power 4, that is x to the power 4, x to the power 4 into x, that is x to the power 5 into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Here we multiply numerator and denominator by x to the power 4. And now we put here x to the power 5 is equal to t. So put here x to the power 5 is equal to t, and therefore here take the differentiate with respect to x. So 5x to the power 4 is equal to dt upon dx, carry dx. So we get here x to the power 4 dx, carry this 5, therefore we get here x to the power 4 dx is equal to dt upon 5. And therefore this required integral I becomes I is equal to integration of x to the power 4 dx is dt upon 5. So it is dt upon 5. In the numerator there is 1. Here x to the power 5 is t, and again here x to the power 5 is t plus 1. And now we solve this by integration by partial fraction. So we write this 1 upon 5 into integration of 1 upon t into t plus 1 dt. This is I. Now consider this part. Let 1 upon t into t plus 1, it is equal to a upon first factor, a upon t, plus b upon second factor that is t plus 1. Now take the addition of right hand side, that is equal to a into t plus 1, a into t plus 1 plus b into t, and e is equal to here 1. We cancel the denominators, t into t plus 1, here also t into t plus 1. We cancel both the denominators. And now here we want to find the values of a and b. By substituting, first factor is equal to 0, second factor is equal to 0. So put here t is equal to 0. If we put here t is equal to 0, we get 1 is equal to a, t is here 0, 0 plus 1 that is 1, plus b into t is 0. So a is equal to 1, b into 0 that is 0. So a into 1, a, and so a is equal to 1. We get here a is equal to 1. Again here put second factor is equal to 0. Put here second factor means here t plus 1. So put here t plus 1 is equal to 0. That is t is equal to minus 1. T is equal to minus 1 in this equation. And therefore we get here 1 is equal to t plus 1 is 0, so a into 0. A into 0 plus b, and t is here minus 1. So we get here 1 is equal to minus b. and therefore we get b is equal to minus 1, and therefore this required integral, which is the required integral, I is equal to 1 upon 5 integration of 1 upon t into t plus 1. This 1 upon t into t plus 1 we replace by this, by putting the values of a and b, and therefore required integral is I is equal to 1 upon 5 integration of a upon t. A is here 1, so 1 upon t plus b is here minus 1 upon t plus 1 into dt. Now integrate separately, so 1 upon 5 in square bracket integration of 1 upon t dt, and plus minus become minus integration of 1 upon t plus 1 dt. So this is equal to 1 upon 5. Here integration of 1 upon t is log of t, minus here integration of 1 upon t plus 1, that is log of t plus 1. Here take mod sign. When there is log, we always take here mod sign, and plus here constant of integration. So it is equal to 1 upon 5. Take here log common. So log of t upon t plus 1 plus constant of integration, and now resubstitute the value of t. Therefore I is equal to 1 upon 5 log of t. Here t is x to the power 5, so we put the value of t as x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5 plus 1 plus constant of integration. This is the final solution. So take the screenshot of this. So in this way we completed here 8th problem. 7th problem we will take next time. Now here we see 9th problem. Or this 8th problem we may solve by another way also. What is the another method? Here we use integration by partial fraction, but by another method we solve this problem. Or here I is equal to integration of 1 upon x into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. So we take this as integration of here x to the power 5 plus 1. Out of this, 1 is present here in the numerator. We add here x to the power 5. So we get here x to the power 5 plus 1 minus x to the power 5, and divided by denominator x into x to the power 5 plus 1 as it is. Get it? X to the power 5, x to the power 5 get cancelled to each other. And now here we take separate division. So integration of x to the power 5 plus 1 divided by this x into x to the power 5 plus 1 minus this x to the power 5 upon x into x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. Get it? Now this x to the power 5 plus 1 and this x to the power 5 plus 1 get cancelled. So it is equal to integration of 1 upon x minus here x and this 1x get cancelled, so here remains x to the power 4. So minus x to the power 4 upon this x to the power 5 plus 1 and dx. Now here if we take the derivative of denominator, derivative of x to the power 5 plus 1, it is 5x to the power 4. So we adjust here 5. So 5 and divided by 5. Get it? And now here we take the separate integration. So integration of 1 upon x dx minus this 1 upon 5 integration of 5x to the power 4 upon this x to the power 5 plus 1 dx. And now here integration of 1 upon x dx, it is log x minus here 1 upon 5 and here it is in the denominator function and its derivative is in the numerator. So we use here formula integration of f dash upon f is equal to log of f. We know this. Integration of function in the denominator function and its derivative in the numerator, that is equal to log of function. So here it is log of function in the denominator x to the power 5 plus 1 and plus constant of integration. Here take 1 upon 5 common. So we take 1 upon 5 and we get here 5 log x. 1 upon 5 is common. So here it is 5 log x minus log of x to the power 5 plus 1 and plus constant of integration. By rule of logarithm, we take this 5 as a power, and so it is equal to 1 upon 5 log of x to the power 5 minus log of x to the power 5 plus 1 and plus constant of integration. And now take here log common, so we get here 1 upon 5 into log of x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 5 plus 1 plus constant of integration. So this problem we solve by another method also, but our exercise is integration by partial fraction, so we solve by firstly partial fraction method, otherwise we solve by another way also. Now here we see 9th problem. Ninth problem here. Integration of 2x square minus 1. Integration of 2x square minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 9x square plus 20 plus 9x square plus 20 dx. See here, integration of 2x square minus 1 divided by x to the power 4 plus 9x square plus 20 dx. Call this as I. So I is equal to integration of 2x square minus 1. Now here we factor the denominator. We have to factor this plus 20 so that product of that two factors is plus 20 and addition is plus 9. So 5 4s are 20. Both are plus. So here factor is I is equal to integration of 2x square minus 1 divided by here x square plus 5 into x square plus 4 dx. We write directly factor because here coefficient of x square to the square is 1, and so we write here direct factor as x square plus 5 into x square plus 4. And now we consider this rational function. Let twice x square minus 1 upon this x square plus 5 into x square plus 4 is equal to a upon first factor, that is x square plus 5, and plus b upon second factor here x square plus 4. So to find partials here put x square is equal to m. Here we put x square is equal to m, and therefore we get here 2m minus 1 upon here m plus 5 into m plus 4 is equal to a upon m plus 5 plus b upon m plus 4. Now here denominator become, in denominator there are two factors and now it become linear factor in the variable m. Suppose firstly we make it as a linear factors, and now here put first factor, that is m plus 5 is equal to 0, find out the unknown a, and then put second linear factor is equal to 0 and find the value of b. So we put here m plus 5 is equal to 0, that is here m is equal to minus 5, and therefore we get here firstly we have to write the equation twice m minus 1 is equal to a into m plus 4 plus b into m plus 5. We take the addition of these two fractions, that is a into m plus 4 plus b into m plus 5, and here it is 2m minus 1, and both the denominators we cancel, and now put here m plus 5 is equal to 0, that is m is equal to minus 5 in this equation. So 2 into minus 5 minus 1 is equal to a, m is here minus 5 plus 4 plus b into m plus 5, it is 0. And so 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10. Minus 10 minus 1, that is minus 11 is equal to here minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 into a minus a, and the minus minus get cancelled, and therefore a is equal to 11. We get a as 11. Now put here second factor. Second factor means m plus 4. So put here m plus 4 is equal to 0. That is m is equal to minus 4, and therefore we get 2 into m is here minus 4 and minus 1 is equal to a into m plus 4 means a into 0. We put the value of m is equal to minus 4 in this equation. So 2 into minus 4 minus 1 is equal to a into m plus 4 is 0. So a into 0 plus b into minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 and plus 5. So here 2 4s are 8. Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 4 plus 5. That is 1. So 1b. So b is equal to minus 9. We get here b is equal to minus 9. Now we put the values of a and b in this equation. Either put in this equation or in this equation. We put here a and b in this equation, and therefore required integral is I is equal to integration of twice x square minus 1 upon x square plus 5 into x square plus 1 x square plus 4. We replace by this right hand side by putting the values of a and b. A is 11, so 11 upon x square plus 5 and plus b is here minus 9 upon here x square plus 4 dx. Now take here separate integration. So I is equal to 11 into integration of 1 upon x square plus 5, we write root of 5 square dx. Plus minus become minus, so minus 9 integration of 1 upon x square plus 4, we write 2 square dx. And now use here standard formula. Which standard formula? Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. It is equal to 1 upon a into tan inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration, and therefore I is equal to 11 into 1 upon a is here root 5, so 1 upon root 5 into tan inverse of x upon a is here root 5, minus 9 into 1 upon a is here 2, tan inverse of x upon a is 2 plus constant of integration. And so the final solution is I is equal to 11 into 1, that is 11 upon root 5 into tan inverse of x upon root 5 minus 9 into 1, 9 upon 2 tan inverse of x upon 2 plus constant of integration. Highlight this solution, take the screenshot. In this way we completed here 9th problem. Now we discuss here 10th problem, similar to 9th problem, only I give here hint how to solve the 10th problem. So 10th problem here, integration of x square plus 3 upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 2, x square minus 1 into x square minus 2 dx. Now using the 9th problem, in the 9th problem in denominator there is no directly factors given, but in the 10th problem in the denominator we have given here factors. So we consider here firstly this as I is equal to given example, then consider this x square plus 3 upon x square minus 1 into x square minus 2, and it is equal to a upon this factor plus b upon this factor. Again here to find the values of a and b, we put only x square is equal to m. So here m plus 3 upon m minus 1 into m minus 2 is equal to a upon m minus 1 plus b upon m minus 2. Then find out the values of a and b. Again put the values and take the integration. Use here 9th problem. Using the 9th problem we can solve here 10th problem. Now here 11th problem, integration of 11th problem, integration of twice x upon 2 plus x square into 3 plus x square dx. 3 plus x square dx. This is the 11th problem. Now firstly consider this as I, given problem as I. So I is equal to integration of 2x upon 2 plus x square into 3 plus x square dx. Now observe here, in the denominator x square and its derivative appears in the numerator. So we use firstly here substitution method. Put here x square is equal to t, differentiate with respect to x. So twice x dx is equal to dt. Twice x dx we replace by dt, and therefore I is equal to integration of 1 upon 2 plus x square is t and 3 plus x square is t. Twice x dx we replace by dt. And now consider this rational function, and we write let a upon 2 plus t into 3 plus t is equal to a upon first factor. There are two linear factors, so a upon first factor 2 plus t plus b upon second factor here 3 plus t. Now take the addition of the right hand side. It is equal to a into 3 plus t plus b into this 2 plus t, and upon the product of these two denominator we cancel this product of these two denominator with this denominator, and left side here remains 1. So 1 is equal to a into 3 plus t plus b into 2 plus t. We find here values of a and b by substituting. First factor is equal to 0 and second factor is equal to 0. So put here, put 2 plus t is equal to 0, that is t is equal to how much? T is equal to carry this 2, so it is minus 2, and we put in this equation. So we get here 1 is equal to a, this is a, in the bracket 3 plus t, so 3 plus become minus 2 because t is minus 2, so plus minus minus 2, and plus b, and here 2 plus t is 0, so it is 0. So 3 minus 2 it is 1, so 1 into a, so a is equal to 1. We get the value of a as 1. Now we put the second factor here 3 plus t. So put here 3 plus t is equal to 0, that is t is equal to, carry this 3, we get here minus 3. In this equation we put t is equal to minus 3 or 3 plus t is equal to 0, and therefore we get here 1 is equal to a into 3 plus t is 0, so a into 0 plus b in the bracket 2, and here t is minus 3, so plus minus minus 3. So we get 1 is equal to, this is 0, and here 2 minus 3 is minus 1 into b minus b. So we get here b is equal to minus 1. We carry this minus sign, so b is equal to minus 1. So now here this required integral becomes I is equal to, we write here required integral is, therefore required integral is I is equal to integration of 1/2 plus t into 3 plus t, we replace that as a/2 plus t plus b/3 plus t by putting the values of a and b. A as 1, so a, that is 1/2 plus t, middle sign is plus, and put the value of b as a -1, so -1/3 plus t, 3 plus t dt. So I is equal to integration, separate the integration of 1/2 plus t dt. This plus minus become minus, integration of 1/3 plus t dt. Now we know that integration of 1/t is log of t. So this is equal to log of t, log of 2 plus t, minus here, again here log of 3 plus t and plus constant of integration. So it is equal to log of, take here log common, so log of 2 plus t upon this 3 plus t plus constant of integration. Now again put the value of t. T is here, t is x square. So log of 2 plus x square divided by 3 plus x square plus constant of integration, and this is the final solution. Highlight this solution and take the screenshot of this solution. So in this way, here we completed 11 problem except I think 7th problem. So in the exercise 3.4 we completed 11 problems, and remaining problem we'll see in the next video lecture. Today we stop here. Thank you.